Hey guys, this is my name is Yuki, but my real name is Josh. Uh, this is the deck I built for Vanguard. And right now it's going to be changed up soon, so here it is. Start with one Kagero as your starter to get bar uh, or just to get any grade 1. There's no perfect cards in this deck, so but he's just the only good one right now. Full heal triggers like always. If you don't run heal triggers, there's something wrong with you. 12 crits. This deck is built for that. It is not built to go for anything else so far. So you always want 12 crits. One Flame of Hope air mode. Because if you draw check any grade 3s, and when he hits when the booster unit hits, and if you have any grade 2s in your hand that you don't want, you want to get rid of them through him. So right now he's best bet. 2 Wyvern Strike Gerons, because when they boost Tages, you get plus 4,000, an extra 4,000 power, and Tages can hit anything in the back row in the same column. So there you go. 4 Iron Tail Dragons. If you get a grade 3 that you need, or something like that, or if you want to turn this into Blazing Flare, it's okay. And this deck is pretty cheap right now. For Gojo, you can rest him and discard a card to draw one. So if you have any unnecessary grade 3s in hand, you want to get rid of them. 4 Embodiment of Armor Bars. They are the staples for this deck. You always want to put him behind the Vanguard mostly, or behind a rear guard if you have nothing else. 4 Wyvern Strike Contagious. As I said earlier, he can hit the rear guard in the same column, and the back row in the same column, so you always want to use Geron with him. And yeah, I've got one rare, you can't really tell, but it's one rare Geron, the other 3 are commons from the trial deck. That was all grade 1s and grade 0s. But here's your grade 2s. 3 Dragon Knight Nihons, just for defeat sticks, because there's nothing else that will go with this deck right now. 3 Cross Shot Dart, same thing for Nihon, nothing else better right now. That was all the grade 2s, guys. On the grade 3s. 4 Draconic Waterfalls. Later, I'm going to turn this into 4 Dragonlance Gokus, just to get rid of their back row, and right now he's just a powerhouse, so that's why it's 12 crits. When he attacks up on his Vanguard, he gains plus 3,000 while he's a Vanguard. And while he's also a Vanguard, you can discard the grade 3 Kagero, and he gains plus 10,000 for that battle. That's all about him. 2 Draconic Executioners. Like I stated earlier about Iron Tail Dragon, you can counterblast 1, make it like a bar, and then this becomes 20,000. Or if you gotta fight an 11k Vanguard, 11,000, you want to use Iron Tail Dragon twice to make it 21. And then 2 Seal Dragon Blockades. Seal Dragon Blockade. You want these in there for backup Vanguard, just in case you don't get Draconic Waterfall. Because while it's the Vanguard, if your opponent cannot intercept during your whole turn. And there you have it. This is a cheap, maybe $45 deck. So it's not that much, and it's not that bad of a deck either if you can get a good hand. Other than that, it's okay. So, and bye guys, I will give out another video later on.